Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking at Pam's Place. Thank you so much for joining me today. We're getting ready to make deli style chicken salad. I'm going to make it into a sandwich. You can also use it on crackers or just eat it on top of a green bed salad. But before we get started, guys, do me a favor. Go ahead and subscribe. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, turn on the notification bell so you'll always get my videos every time I upload. And for those of you all who are subscribed, thank you so much for your loyal, faithful support. I really do appreciate each and every one of you all. Now, I have here 2 chicken breasts. These are boneless, skinless chicken breasts. And I'm just going to go ahead and trim off the excess fat. We don't really need that on here for our salad. So just cut that off real quick and easy. A little bit on each side. It's not much. You just want to go ahead and trim that up. We're going to be roasting these for about 30 minutes in a 400-degree oven. So the first thing you want to do, prepare a pan. I've just got a regular glass baking dish here that I put aluminum foil on top of. I'm going to put my chicken breast right inside. From there, we're going to rub it down with a little olive oil. Make sure you rub it down on both sides. Now, guys, you can put any seasoning you want on there. You can use just regular salt and pepper, garlic powder, onion powder. Old Bay works really well. Today, I am using Kingsford lemon pepper seasoning. Why? Because I like that flavor with my chicken salad. So I'm just going to put quite a bit on both sides. I'm not adding any additional salt or any additional seasonings. Just the lemon pepper. Okay, guys, we're going to pop this in a 400-degree oven, like I said, for about 30 minutes, and we'll be back. Okay, so our chicken breasts are all done. They look amazing. So we're just going to take them out of here, put them on the cutting board so we can get them sliced up. And you just want to cut these, guys, into nice bite-sized pieces. Look at that inside. Doesn't that look amazing? It doesn't have to be fancy. It doesn't have to be even. So I'm just going to get the rest of this cut up. And we'll be back. Okay, now that we have our chicken cooked, prepared, cut, we are first going to go in with some mayo, Hellman's mayo. And again, guys, I will leave everything down in the description. I like to mix my mayo in first before adding anything else in. There, we're going to add in our chopped celery, red onion, red bell pepper, and our dill pickle. We want to combine all this together, guys. This is a real easy, quick, simple summer recipe. Good for a picnic. It's good just to sit out on your deck and have a little bit. And I like the colors. I love the colors. Now, before we add our last ingredient, guys, I'm going to go in and give this a little taste just to make sure we have everything we need. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Oh my goodness. And that lemon pepper is coming through. So now, guys, for our final touch, I'm going to add in some Kinder's seasoning blend. This is just a seasoning blend of a little salt, pepper, and garlic powder, just a drop. Then you want to go in, guys, with a squeeze of lemon. Just add a little acidity to it. Give it another taste. Make sure everything's well blended. Oh my goodness. Guys, come on with me. I'm going to plate this up just for you. Okay guys, so I've got some French bread that I'm going to plate this up on. Put down a little lettuce. You can use any kind of lettuce you want. I happen to like iceberg because I love the crunch that it provides. Top it with our other half of our bun. Okay guys, we are all done. Look at our amazing chicken salad. Thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me today in my kitchen. And I will see you next time. Until then, be blessed.